A maker is a born storyteller. The tools we use determine the shape of our story. Every maker's story is different. Something the maker of makers, Albert J. Dremel, knew all too well. Whether you're a builder, an inventor, an experimenter, or a teacher, you choose the tools to shape the story that enriches your life. During your journey, discover new skills to make it rare and wonderful. Learn to recognize the details that make a difference. But above all, enjoy the subtle progress, the release of energy, or the satisfaction after a job well done. Enrich yourself. Fill your head with creative ideas. Set a challenge and embrace the struggle. Dream big and dare to fail. Enrich the world. Try to inspire those around you and connect. Listen to how they would shape the future. Give them the confidence to form those innovative ideas through their hands. Make life extraordinary. Make it last. How do you enrich your life?